Welcome all. Now I am going to discuss question number 15 from the GATE 2021 paper Electrical Engineering. The question is, two single core power cables have total conductor resistances of 0.7 ohms and 0.5 ohms respectively, and their insulation resistances between core and sheath are 600 mega ohms and 900 mega ohms respectively. When the two cables are joined in series, the ratio of insulation resistance to conductor resistance is. To know the detailed modeling of the conductor and the insulation resistance of a particular cable, audience can go through the given NPTEL video link. Let us discuss the useful information to solve the problem. Here, the black circles 1, 2, 3 represents the position of the core in a conductor, and the outer blue part represents the sheath or the insulation of the conductor. Because of some leakage current, there will be some resistance between the core and also the core and the sheath respectively. Here, Cc denotes the capacitance between two cores, whereas Cs denotes the capacitance between the core and the sheath. So this is the delta equivalent representation, right? If we convert this thing to star, we will get it as 3 into Cc, and this whole diagram is the equivalent representation of the core and the sheath. Yeah. So if two conductors are connected in series, the same current will flow through the two conductors, right? So the core resistances can add up. Similarly, voltage between the core and the sheath is the parallel for all the conductors. So sheath resistances are connected in parallel, means insulation resistance are in parallel. So using this information, let us solve the problem. Given data, what it is given, two conductors are there, C1 and C2. Here conductor resistance is R1 is equal to 0.7 ohms, R2 is equal to 0.5 ohms. This is conductor resistance. So RC1 and RC2. And also it is given that insulation resistance between the core and the sheath, that is Ri1 is equal to 600 mega ohms and Ri2 is equal to 900 mega ohms. And also it is given that these two cables are connected in series. Series connection means same current will flow through the conductor. Same current will flow. So conductor resistances can add up. Rc is equal to Rc1 plus Rc2, that is 0.5 plus 0.7 equal to 1.2 ohms. The insulation resistance is parallel, right? So Ri is equal to Ri1 into Ri2 divided by Ri1 plus Ri2, that is equal to 600 into 900 divided by 600 plus 900. This is how much? 360 mega ohms. In the question, it is asked to find out the ratio of the insulation resistance to conductor resistance. Insulation resistance to conductor resistance. insulation resistance is 360 mega ohms and the conductor resistance is 1.2. So if we simplify, this will get as 300 mega ohms. So the insulation resistance to conductor resistance is 300 mega ohms. So the ratio of insulation resistance to conductor resistance is 300 into 10 power 6. Thank you.